Got everything tied down, bolted down. The bike's back here. Suitcase, rope. Got my riding partner. Do you want to go to the ranch? Yeah? Ah! It looks like a very cold storm. Made it to the Ponderosa. Helmet. Funny looking clothes. Gonna go on a bike ride down into the park now. Hoping that we don't get rained on. It's gonna happen though. Here's an evidence of a rookie rider.
You what? What's that?
You're not supposed to do that.
What'd you do?
Got caught in the rain, like we were worried, but it actually felt nice. Now, I'm wondering if I'm gonna jump in the hot tub. Hi, Lila. I'm just talking to myself.